Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have a doozy for you today. This one is going to save your buns, impress your friends, impress your family, entertain you. It's just gonna be like magic. So let's say you have a receipt and you spent more than you were supposed to and you need to turn in your receipt to your partner or whatever, and you're like, I need to take care of some business. Just get yourself some hand sanitizer and you're gonna just like pretend like it's spilled on your receipt. Let me move this one right underneath here. Never mind, just kidding. But watch what happens. Yes. Look at that. Do you see that? It's all disappearing. I didn't know if I had any confidential information on the other side. That's why I was gonna flip it. Look at that. All gone. That's absolutely remarkable. Yes, I don't know, honey. I don't know what I spent at Harbor Freight. Something happened to the receipt. I paid in cash, but yeah, I don't know. This trick not only works on paper, but if you have a stain in your t-shirt, an ink stain on your pants, I know it's frequently to drop pens on your pants, just put a little hand sanitizer on there and dab it, and it will help remove the stain much easier. Yes? Don't you love these hacks? Not only did I teach you how to make your receipts vanish, but also to make ink stains go bye-bye. If you love a good life hack such as this one right here, give this video a thumbs up and then also check out the video on screen now. I have a really fun Google life hack for you as well. We'll see you in the next one.